You feel like a disappointment, and deep down, you know it's not just in your head, but there is a brutal, untold path to pride, one that flips your story upside down. Today we'll break it down into 5 ruthless truths no one dares to say. 1. Stop asking for their approval. Take it. Your parents don't want perfection. They want proof. Proof that you fight. Every time you ask for validation, you hand over your power. Make decisions. Make noise. Make yourself undeniable. Respect isn't begged for. It's earned by impact. Become impossible to ignore. 2. Do what scares them because they couldn't. You know why they hesitate when you take risks? Because they didn't. They gave up their dreams for survival. You're built to surpass them. Build what they never had the courage to chase, because your success is their second chance. 3. Learn skills that threaten comfort zones. Become dangerously competent, not in what's safe, in what's powerful. Learn things they don't understand. AI, money, influence, self-mastery. Make them uncomfortable with your growth. That's how they know it's real. Comfort never raised legends. Chaos did. 4. Become the mirror that reflects their sacrifice. Your every excuse spits on what they gave up. They worked double shifts, hid their pain, lived for you. So when you break your limits, you honor them. Let your grind scream. Nothing you did was wasted. That's not pressure, that's repayment. 5. Be the hero in their story, not the burden in yours. You were never born just to be okay. They didn't carry you through storms, so you could drown in comfort. Be the warrior who carries their legacy into the fire and walks out crowned. Your victory is the final chapter they always wanted to read. Make your parents proud, not with words, with results. This world won't hand it to you, so tear your weakness apart, rebuild, and become the reason they cry with pride, not regret. Start now, or stay average forever.